Amla pickle. Very fast pickle, ready which gets ready within under 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. No seasoning, nothing and all. The main item itself is amla. Here I have taken around 25 to 30 amlas. For the proportion is this much. I have taken red chilli powder around 2 to 3 spoons, Kashmiri chilli powder 1 spoon, then jeera powder, that is cumin seed powder around 1 spoon, then fenugreek powder around 2 spoon, little turmeric powder, little asafoetida, and little preservative style little vinegar, and little garlic. Now for first step seasoning, I have taken little gingelly oil, little mustard, and curry leaves. Now let us see how to prepare amla pickle. Now my pan is preheated. I am going to add this gingelly oil. Now toward this we will add first this mustard. Now next we will add this garlic. First I am adding this red chilli powder. Now the next Kashmiri chilli powder. Next I am adding this jeera powder. Next I am adding this fenugreek powder. Next I am adding this turmeric powder. Now we will spout it like this. Only 1 minute roasting is necessary. Now we will add this curry leaves also. Now we will add this asafoetida. Now first we will add this water. Now the pickle gravy has started boiling. So now the next item we will add salt towards it. I think during the narration of the ingredients I have forgotten to mention regarding the salt. I am adding the salt now. Now we will add the amla towards it and wait for another 10-15 minutes so that it gets cooked properly. Now finally we will add this vinegar towards it. This will be really tasty after getting it seasoned for at least 1 week. After 1 week you use it, it will be really tasty. But now itself you can use it, that is different. But again when it goes bit older, it will be tasty, more tasty. And I think, and I am used to it, that minimum 1 to 2-3 months this can be exposed openly. No need to keep in the fridge and all. So once again, I wish everybody a happy day. So nice to be with you. Thank you.